The world is home to many beautiful countries, each with its own unique appeal. But if I had to choose 5 of the most beautiful countries in the world, here is my list. Greece, a country with a rich history and culture, and its natural beauty is equally impressive. With its turquoise waters, whitewashed buildings, and ancient ruins, Greece is a truly picturesque country. Switzerland, a country known for its stunning alpine scenery, charming villages, and delicious chocolate, with its towering mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and picturesque villages. Switzerland is a truly beautiful country. Thailand, a country known for its friendly people, delicious food, and stunning scenery, with its lush green jungles, pristine beaches, and ancient temples. Thailand is a truly beautiful country. Italy, a country with things to offer everyone, from its stunning architecture and art to its delicious food and wine. Italy is also home to some of the most beautiful landscapes in the world, including the rolling hills of Tuscany, the Amalfi Coast, and the Dolomites Mountains. New Zealand, a country known for its stunning natural beauty, from the snow-capped peaks of the Southern Alps to the lush rainforests of Fiordland National Park. These 5 countries offer stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and fascinating history. If you're looking for a place to create unforgettable memories, then one of these countries is sure to be a perfect fit for you.